Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be unboxing my very first Misfits Market Mischief box. I decided to try it out because I did get a 50% off discount code for Black Friday. I also have a referral code to share with you for 50% off as well, and that will be in the video description below. It's a really good deal if you're just looking to try it out for the first time like I did. Now first unboxing, I do see that it's nicely insulated, and there was an ice pack as well to keep my produce fresh. The very first item on top, the white button mushrooms, are an item that I actually added on in the marketplace because I wanted to make a pizza this week and I would like mushrooms on that. Everything else in the box was included in the base subscription. First up are some green apples. A little bruised up, but otherwise very nice. And I'll be using those in an apple crisp, and I'll link that below. I also have a small head of lettuce, very small. I'll make a salad with that tomorrow for my lunch. Now in this little container, these were the items I was worried about. I wasn't sure how they'd travel, but they made it just fine. And that was just several Roma tomatoes. All of the produce in this box is organic, which I really like. And those look really good. Next item is rainbow chard. It's something I've never actually had, but I always wanted to try. And right after I finish filming this video, I'm going to go ahead and cook that up for my lunch, and you'll see that in my What's for Lunch this week. The next item are some nice lemons. I use lemons a lot in my cooking, so I'm always happy to see those. Another favorite is acorn squash. I love acorn squash and I cook with it all the time. Next up we have another green apple. That one's a little banged up, but like I said, I'll be using it the next day or two, so it won't matter. Same with this one. Got a couple of green peppers. Those will go on the pizza as well. They look in really great condition, and I don't really see why they'd be called Misfits. These cucumbers, on the other hand, were definitely misfitty. They were a little bit long in the tooth. They are a little shriveled, but still usable. I'll use them in my salad tomorrow and they'll be alright. The celery too was a little bit beat. It was kind of falling apart and I had to trim a few pieces off due to some spots, but the rest of it was in good condition and it'll be great for cooking in salads and stuffing, stuff like that. And in the bottom of the box, I found one more acorn squash, which was fabulous, and also some radishes. Those were a special request from someone else in my house. I'm not the biggest fan of radishes, but I could chop a few up in my salad. And I thought that was it, but then in the lining of the box, I found something that was missed, which was one extra lemon. Now don't forget to check the video description box down below. I will have that 50% off discount code. They did not give an expiration date. They just said it would be good for a limited time. So if you want that deal, you might want to jump on that. I'll lay everything out again just so you can see it one last time and see everything that we got today. I'll be doing a few more videos like this, and I may be trying some other produce companies as well just to compare and contrast and see what the best deal for our family is. I think the next up will be George Forkes produce. Imperfect produce I was going to try, but they require at least a $45 minimum order for my area, and I just don't know if that's what I'm looking for in terms of volume of produce. We'll see. But for now, I will give the Misfits another try and see how I like it. And I'm probably going to stick with that one at least on and off. And then, like I said, I did want to try the GFP produce as well. So thanks for coming back to visit me again. Please, if you like this video, subscribe and check me out in 2 weeks for my next unboxing. Thanks for watching.